Hey ballers, it's Horton here. So last week I reviewed a video camera holder that sits on your pylon, and this week we've got another one that's kind of exciting. So we're going to do a real unboxing this time. So as you guys can expect, you've seen before, I will struggle with this package, but it comes from New Zealand, from John Gibbons at 3DM Design, and seems like John and I skied together, I don't know, 15, 20 years ago. He worked at my parents' ski school back in the day. And so he's involved with this product, I believe, called WakeEye. Although I kind of like to call it WakeEye. Sorry, John, that's the way you spelled it. But hey, so we got my knife from knifedealsplus.com. Thank you, Jeff Gastra. If anybody needs a knife, knifedealsplus.com. The unofficial knife supplier of BallOfSpray, I suppose. Well, that's kind of disappointing. That was too easy. So again, it's WakeEye, or if you're a sarcastic jackass like me, it's WakeEye, and it's made in New Zealand. And so I'm guessing there's going to be some assembly, so we'll see what we get when we actually just open the package. And then we'll get some video of me skiing in the cold here in Bakersfield, which is never very great. Alright, so we've got a setup guide. And then very nicely packaged. Looks like we've got a lot of components. So this looks like the screw that's going to go into the bottom of my camera. And we have a holder for what looks like an iPhone. And we have another for a different size iPhone. And we have this, I want to call it a boom piece. But this is all really nice carbon fiber bits. Having done some carbon fiber work in the past, I can tell you this is nice stuff. So this is bits and pieces and parts I'll have to put together later. And then this is the kind of the master part. Again, carbon fiber and custom machined aluminum. So it looks like this is going to go onto the pylon itself. And then we've got this carbon fiber tower, we're going to call it. And then the screw piece looks like it's going to go on here, and it's going to hold my camera. And of course, we'll see as I actually assemble it. I'll get some video of me skiing on it, what it looks like later. And I'm excited. So it's the WakeEye. And awesome. Now I got to put on my wetsuit and get in this cold water, which I'm not very excited about. Thank you. super impressive. Fix my gate. I feel like I'm shouldering really bad all the time too.